Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I do my pedicure with gel polish at home. Let's jump straight into it. First, I'll start with these food soak crystals, and also I'll use the pumice stone, which looks like this. It's a very cheap one from the pawn shop. Anything will do. Obviously, if you have found a better quality one, you can use that, but I think the cheapest one will also work. I'm just going to soak my feet into the crystals. That will make them softer and will be easier to clean them. Once you've cleaned them and obviously you've rubbed everything off them with the pumice stone, they should be clean and fresh. You just pat dry them and they'll be ready. As you can see, my feet are not in great condition, so I'll have to really file the nails. I don't usually do my pedicure too often, especially in the winter times. But for summer, it's good to have nice nails, fresh set. So I will get this file and file them from every side on the top. Just remove all the excess that you don't need anymore. Sometimes the nail polish remover won't remove properly every bit, so you've got to file on top of them to just remove your old nail polish, and just to make sure overall that they're nice and clean. Also shape, I would really recommend you to shape them straight. It looks very neat, it's nice and straight shape. That's what I prefer for myself personally, so I would say you probably would enjoy it as well. If not, you can always choose your own shape, but personally for the feet, I feel like the straight shape looks always better. Once you're done with the filing, you've got to clean underneath your nails and on the sides. So I'll use this tool to clean underneath. Apologize for the focus, it's not on focus, I know. It's my camera, it's just not great in auto-focusing. So clean on the side, make sure you remove all the dead skin, push the dead skin. I used my file that's electric file does a miracle, especially for your feet, because I find that the skin and the cuticles, everything is a lot harder for your feet. I don't know why, maybe because you don't interact so much with your feet with, obviously you wash your hands day in, day out, all the time, on the sink, with the dishes, toilet, bathroom. Your hands are much more soft because they see water constantly, while your feet only sit maybe once or twice a day when you get in the shower. So I prefer to use the electric file. It really makes my life easier. So if you can see, my feet are now fresh and cleaned. I've put my base coat already, and I'll start with the color. I'm using this blue sky color. It's really beautiful blue, turquoise blue. I'll just apply the gel everywhere. As I'm saying, this is gel polish, so of course same rules like the ones on the hand apply. Make sure you don't put anything outside, because if you put them, then this will lift and it will make it look worse. Gel polish will last a lot longer on your feet than on your hands, so you will not need to do this very often. You can do this maybe once in every 5 weeks and they will still be good. gonna use this little tool to put the color in my pinky, because my pinky toes nail is so tiny, it's impossible to actually apply it. Once you're done with all the colors, 3 layers, I will do the decoration part. I thought about this design because of my swimming costume. My swimming costume is with these colors, so I really wanted something to match for my vacation. So I'm gonna use this flat tiny brush to just apply the color. It's very precise and it will be really easy to apply. I'm trying to make as a straight as possible line and then just color on the other side. I feel like this design is very easy to do it at home, and you can do it with pretty much very little tools. Only you need a small thin brush, you need 2 colors, preferably one to be a glitter, and that's about it. And also we need this tiny tape that I will apply on top of it, but I'll show you this in a second. So once you've colored everything, obviously you're gonna have to cure it, but this is what it needs to look like. So for me to apply the tape, I will need to apply 1 layer of base. You will say, why are you applying a base when you've already had a base and this is already the color? The reason is because this tape won't stick if you don't have a base. So first you put base layer, you don't cure it, then you apply your tiny tape on the exact position you wanted it to be. Like, I use this tool because it's very easy to adjust with it. You press it down, make sure you have enough base underneath to kind of like get this tape soaked in the nail. Once you've done this, then you cure it, and this will make sure that this tape is secured properly for your nail. If you don't do this, you're risking the ends to curl upwards, and then you will ruin your nails very fast. It will just be awful. Of course, I didn't mention, but after you're done with putting the tape, you've got to put top coat. You put 2 layers of top coat, and that's when you're done with your nails. Afterwards, you see they look like this. They're pretty good. I put some cuticle oil just to make them soft, but I'm quite happy with this homemade pedicure. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this was really helpful for you, and I hope you stick around. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!